Hi guys, hello all, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. So we will see how will be your August month. So those whose birthday is coming up, happy birthday to all of you, all my Leos out there born in August month. We have three options in front of us, but please remember, before we start, please remember this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, and for a private reading you can check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Link I have mentioned in the description box below. Guys, we will see how will be your August month and what is going on, how will be is there any changes, okay, any blessings, any surprises, especially for those whose birthday is in August. So this is for everyone. So we have three options. Option number one is this ring. Sorry, I'll just show you, just a second. Option number one is this ring. Sorry, this pink color bird ring. Option number one. Option number two is this sleeper footwear ring. Option number two. Hope you can see. Okay. Option number two. Option number three is this flower ring. Okay, so we will see how will be your August month, what is the energy in August month for you. Option one, option two, option three. Okay, we will start with this. Okay, those who have chose this option, we will keep this aside. Over here we will keep this aside, 2 and 3. So yeah, let's see now those who have chose this bird. Option number one, how will be your August month. Two of Cups. Ooh. So 2 of Cups, 10 of Wands, the Devil. We have received the 10 of Pentacles and 2 of Swords. So how will be your August month? First of all, love is coming. The person whom you love very much and very deeply, they can be your soulmate or past life connection, or for some of you it can be karmic connection as well, or some karma is definitely attached with this Devil card. So this person, basically you know them since many lifetimes. So this person is coming in your life. They also love you the same way you love them, so there is a equal mutual love. Okay, for others of you, I am seeing that the person whom you love, they also love you, but they are like married to someone else somewhere else, or they are, you know, caught up in some sort of materialistic ways, or in some sort of addictions, or very much materialistic or greedy person that can be, or their family can be, but they love you, but still, you know, Devil energy is very much highlighting over here, especially onto them. So if you are in separation with that person, with your person, then there are chances in August month you will united and you will come together definitely. With this 2 of Swords, if your person was confused and they chose family or materialistic world, or materialist money or inheritance or family society over you, then they are not happy. I'm telling you guys, they are not happy, and they are like very much burdened by their responsibility, their family, also addictions, a lot of addictions also they have. For some of you, I can sense definitely they are not happy in that relationship. Okay, if this was a karmic if this they are involved with somebody else. Okay, 4 of Cups. If this person has ignored you in past, or didn't listen to their intuition, or didn't listen to their heart chakra, or their heart, or their heart chakra is blocked, then I can see in month of August you will see some progress in this relationship definitely for some of you. And if they are like, you know, caged or caged by someone, you know, for example, if they have a lot of money but they don't have freedom to go somewhere, to take their decision, or to marry to the person they love, then I can see freedom is coming in the month of August for them. Okay, this can be your energy as well. Okay, so whoever is like, you know, feeling like I am like chained by some rules, I am like locked up, I am like burdened by responsibilities, I don't have my own freedom, I don't have my decision capable, I mean I am not able to take decision, I don't have freedom of speech or freedom of taking decision, then I can see that freedom is coming in the month of August. For others of you, if you have been going through any health issue and you are now tired, then I can see some sort of you know progress you will, I mean some sort of healing you will receive in the month of August. For some of you, those whose health condition is very critical, okay, then I can see even this can be your family member, your person, or anyone whom you know their health is not good, then I can see some sort of healing progress you will see in the month of August for them. Okay, whoever's health is not good. For others of you, you are going to get inheritance. There are chances there will be some news and talks and decisions about inheritance in the month of August, or regarding money and career, or family money, family inheritance. This can be business regarding talks, an important decision you will take, or somebody else take, so there are chances you will get money. Okay, and for others of you, if you belong to a rich and wealthy background, then and you are in love with somebody, then I can see you see them as your family, as your family. And this person, if you are dealing with such person who belongs to a wealthy background, a wealthy person he is, so I can see, you know, they see a future with you, they want to give you a stable life, stable home life, and they, you know, they want to give you a lot of love, also money, also home stability. They want to get married to you, they want to have children with you, those sort of vibes I am getting. So with this Two of Cups, definitely love is coming for you in the month of August. If you have been waiting for it, if you have been praying for it, if you have been confused, or your partner has been confused, or someone had over here addictions or confusion or greedy needs or material, or was giving priority to materialistic world, then I can see in the month of August, you know, love will be the priority for you and for your person as well, definitely. Now what will I do? I will pull out some cards from my another tarot deck, which is this cat tarot deck. Okay, I'll shuffle it on camera so that you can see. I hope you guys can see. Sorry, a bug is disturbing because it's rainy season over here, and you know I have light. That is why a lot of. So if you feel like there was a third party or someone's interference or some obstacle or delays in your relationship or in your married life, then I can see that will be removed in the month of August. Okay, for some of you I'm getting that message. Let me pull out 1 or 2 cards for the month of August for you from my another tarot deck. Okay, we'll take this Page of Pentacles on, and another card wants to come, Judgment. Definitely, if you are in a relationship, if you were in a relationship, or you are in a relationship and you feel like anything wrong has happened to you, or that person didn't give you your money, or that person didn't give you love, or that person didn't give you equal mutual give and take, it can be energy, love, money, time, anything, then I can see justice is coming for you with this Judgment card. Angels will give you justice. Now this is your time to get justice in the month of August. Definitely for some of you I am feeling, if you have been asked if you have been feeling like, you know, injustice has happened and you have prayed a lot and you have asked for the justice, then I can see justice is coming for you guys. I can also see Page of Pentacles, some sort of money, job call, interview regarding offer can come, a business deal, business opportunity can come, a stable offer, stable amount, stable money will be coming your way. Okay, whether you do your business or whether you do your or any job, then I can see definitely some sort of amount will be coming towards you. It can be small amount, but yes, it will be a starting of something big. Okay, so money is coming for you, in the sense of if you are waiting for a lot of clients in your, if you are waiting for clients in your business, then I can see clients will come slowly. It will start happening in the month of August. If you are waiting for some money, somebody is not giving you your money, and then I can see that will come to you in August. If some sort of injustice has happened, then I can see that you will get in August month. For others of you, if you have children and your children is earning, then I can see they can give you some gifts in the month of August, or they can give you some amount of money. For some of you I can feel, or your children will start earning. That is also what I am feeling for some of you. Okay, and those whose child or children are younger in age, so I can see some sort of happiness you will get from them. Okay, and your child will make you feel stable and happy. That is also what I am feeling in the month of August. Also for some of you, I am seeing you want to eat lot of sweets, lot of ice creams. That is also what I am feeling, and it is going to fulfill in the month of August. Or you are going to have ice creams, sweets, all that stuff. For some of you, I am feeling like that you have a sweet tooth, so it is going to be fulfill in the month of August. Okay, you have been on a diet and you don't eat sweets, or you don't eat ice cream, then I can see you will have some sort of relief in, and you will be able to eat some ice cream and sweets in the month of August. And others of you, I can feel if you are not on diet or something and you love ice cream and chocolates and sweets, then I can see a lot of sweets and chocolates and ice creams are coming your way, and you are going to have a lot of ice creams and chocolates and sweets the whole year month. Cakes and pastries and whatever you love or whatever you like, you are going to have it this month in August. You will enjoy like anything. Maybe someone's birthday is coming and you will have a you will eat a lot of ice creams, chocolates and sweets, and maybe some, because of some festival, you will eat some sort of sweets and chocolates. So those sort of vibes I am getting. So yeah, that is coming for you in August month. So I hope you liked it, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and I hope you got some insights. And I am not making too long videos. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed. Now we will move to the pile 2. Those who have chose this option, the sleeper, okay, footwear, ring. Okay, let's see what will happen for you in the month of August. Oh, 7 of Pentacles. Waiting. Your wait is going to give you reward, guys. Now in the month of August, 8 of Cups. Oh, the Sun. Wow, we have received the 4 of Wands. Wow, I hope you can see. We have received the 6 of Pentacles. Okay, so what I feel, I hope you guys can see. Just a second, lighting is okay. Yeah, so 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups. With these cards, what I am feeling with with these 2 cards, that you have been walked away from some situation, or you had to walk away, even you didn't wanted to, but you still had have to walk away, walked away in past, like, and you now are waiting, that when you some sort of happiness or celebration will come in your life. Then I can see if that was a relationship issue, that was regarding relationship issue, and you have been waiting for some sort of happiness, then I can see you will see happiness in that relationship. if this was a relationship and you have walked away, or your person has walked away, then I can, and you have been waiting, for some sort of progress or happiness in that relationship, or for some sort of reciprocation, equal give and take you have been waiting for, then I can see in the month of August it is coming for you guys with this Six of Pentacles, the Sun, and Four of Wands. For some of you might get engaged in the month of August, or committed. You'll come into a committed relationship, or you'll find a new partner, if you are looking for new romance, new partner, and that will be a committed relationship, or it can lead to a marriage. For others of you, you'll get engaged in the month of August or married in the month of August. Okay. Also, I can see you will gain lot of material success. You will gain lot of material success, plus you will gain name and fame in the month of August. That is also what I am seeing. If you have been waiting for some sort of your investment or money, or you have planted or have been planning on some sort of project or money or career, then I can see it will grow. It will grow like anything. It will come to a fruition. Okay, guys. If you feel like you have not been given in your career situation, in your office, you have not been given a promotion, or you have not been given like equal money, the same amount of money you put, even when you put a lot of hard work into your work, then I can see there are chances you'll get some sort of extra bonus or tip, or some sort of appreciation, or some sort of promotion. Good news can come your way in the month of August. Okay, this can be for some of you. For others of you, if you want, if some things are hidden, then I can see you will see in the month of August that those things will be coming into the light, into the alignment. If your life is out of balance till now, and you have been waiting, then I can see now in the month of August you'll come into the alignment. You are going to get famous, successful in your career, business, opportunity, like whatever you do, project, whatever you are working on or you have been waiting on. It can be relationship, work. You are going to get success in that. I can see you are waiting for money also, and I can see you are waiting for the relationship also, and I can see for some of you, you are waiting for your problems or personal issues to resolve. So all those things I can see in the month of August, it will be resolved. Okay. For some of you, if you want to buy a home, or you are planning for a home, there are some chances. There are chances you'll get some good news regarding that home life, or actual home you want to buy, or apartment you want to buy. Then I can see some sort of good news you will attract in the month of August. Okay. The sun is in the middle of this spread. We have received the sun card. So definitely, guys, sun will shine on you, guys. Sun will shine on you. Temperance and Ace of Wands. So from this cat tarot deck, so a new beginning is going to happen. If you have been waiting for love in your life, or marriage, commitment in your life, then I can see there are chances you'll have a lot of options. You will get new beginning. If you have been walked away from some sort of situation from in past, in regards to love matter, relationship matter, then I can see new beginning is going to happen for you. Yeah, so new beginning is going to happen for you in terms of if you want to travel, or you have been waiting for some sort of visa approval, then I can see you will get your visas, or some sort of documents you have been waiting for to travel out of country, some sort of certificate you have been waiting for to travel out of town or out of state. Then I can see you will get those clarity, and you will get those good news in the month of August. So there are traveling possible out of country for some of you, as well as out of state or out of town for some of you. Also depends on where you live. And for others of you, there will be a new relationship starting, and new project, and new passionate new sparkle and passion will come in your relationship. If you have been in any sort of relationship, either committed relationship, either married, then I can see. And for others of you, new person is coming, and for some of you, those who have left a past person, or the person has left you or walked away from you, that person will come back again. You have been waiting for that person, and new beginning will start in that relationship, okay, in that matter. Temperance, with this temperance I am seeing like you will come into alignment. You, like I have said with the sun card, if you will come into alignment and you will see the balance is coming in your life, in every area of your life, not in just love matter or not in just marriage life. It will come in like career matter, home life matter, in every area of your life. Balance will come with this temperance card I am seeing, okay. You can be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Leo, or dealing with one. And Aries, Sagittarius also I am seeing strongly. Sagittarius, Leo, and Aries sign I am seeing fire element and water element, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And for others of you, for small percentage, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also I am seeing. And celebration is coming for you in the month of August. So this can be any festival, depends on which country, which area, which city you live, okay. So this can be some holiday or festival or vacation or small picnic or someone's birthday or baby shower or housewarming party, or you know, some sort of gathering with friends or family. Some sort of celebration is coming for sure in the month of August for you, okay. And it's not just one celebration, okay. 2 to 4 celebration is coming. 2 to 4 types of event is coming. For example, someone's birthday and wedding, and you know, and then you'll for example you'll buy a car. For some of you I am seeing that you'll buy a car, or you'll buy a some sort of two-wheeler or bike. That is also what I am feeling. So yes guys, 4 number will be touching you strongly, or is touching you strongly, or in the month of August 4 number will be, 4th date it will be important, or 4 people will be important for you guys, or 4 can be someone's birth month or year, date, any numbers. Like this number can be important to you, especially for most of you in the month of August. Yeah, so we have received 2 major arcana, 8 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, 4 of Wands, and we have received 2 major arcana, Temperance and the Sun. So something big is going to happen. Maybe you will get some surprise celebration, someone will celebrate your birthday, or someone will give you a gift, and I don't know, or someone will give you some sort of surprise news. Or either for some of you, if you have been planning for a baby or pregnancy, there are chances there will be a baby and pregnancy. So that celebration, that good news you can have. Something you are going to receive which will be very surprising for you and sudden and unexpected, okay. For those who's already pregnant and expecting a baby, so your baby's health will be good, okay. And for others of you, you will deliver your baby boy in the month of August, okay. I am seeing for some of you baby boy, okay. That is also what I am feeling for some of you. And it can be baby girl as well, but you will deliver, you'll have baby in the month of August. This can be for some of you only, okay. So this is what I feel for you in the month of August. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Now we will move to the pile 3, okay. I have like I'm doing short video today, not too long videos, okay. So let's see. Now we will see those who have chose this flower ring. I hope you can see. Yeah, how will be your August month? So, oh, just a second. 10 of Cups. Wow, Ace of Wands. Oh my God, you might have selected more than one pile or option. If you are attracted to pile 2, you can go and watch pile 2, okay. I am feeling that sort of energy. Ace of Wands we have received in pile 1 as well, okay. Ace of Wands we have received in pile 1, in pile 2. So you can go and watch pile 2 if you are feeling attracted to. For others, if I am feeling like you have chose more than one option, so 2 of Wands, the Hangman, Ace of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. Okay, some sort of ending has been has happened for you, and now The new beginning will start in the month of August. It can be regarding money, it can be regarding new project, it can be regarding new relationship. Okay, for others of you, you will get married to the one you love, or you will come into a serious relationship. And I can also feel some sort of, if you are single, and then you will find someone in the month of August. That is also what I am feeling. And if for others of you, if you feel like, you know, your situation is quite stuck, and you know, there is no movement, no forward progress, you have been confused, or your partner has been confused, they didn't take action, or you are not able to take action, then it will all cleared out in the month of August, and they will take action, or you will take action. Whoever was not taking action and situation was stuck, or they were confused, or you were confused, whoever was confused, they will take action in the month of August, that is for sure. And new beginning will happen for you guys, and there are chances you will get married. For some of you, that will be a love marriage, so it means you will spend your rest of your life with the one you love. Or else there are chances you'll meet each other's family or parents, or you'll at least come, you'll get proposal, that for marriage proposal. Okay, that is also what I am feeling for some of you. And with this Ace of Wands card, definitely you are, something new is going to start, and you will be like amazed. You know, if you can see this girl in this card, this girl is so amazed. Okay, so there is something new is going to start. Okay, for some of you, I can see your intuition is very much strong, and if not, then your intuition will be very much strong in the month of August. Okay, and you'll become a very much intuitive person. You might get a pet, cat or dog for some of you, and others of you already have a cat or pet or dog, any pet. Okay, you already have. For some of you, if you wanted to travel out of country or out of state, there are chances you will be able to. Okay, you want to travel since long time. For some of you, I am feeling, and you have been confused because of world situation, because of restriction, or because of other situation, money trouble, then I can see in the month of August you will get some good news in that, or in regarding traveling, or you will go and travel in the month of August. That is also what I am feeling. Wow, guys. With this Queen of Pentacles card, stability is coming. Some of you, I can see business owners are watching this pile. You can be businesswoman or businessman, but stable business owners are watching this pile. Stable person, married person, or married also you can be. Some of you are already married to the love of your life, and you are watching this, and there is stability coming in your life. Already you are stable, but if you feel like there is no stability in your life, in your marriage life, or in your business relationship or business partnership, then, or in your business, then I can see stability is coming. Okay, and if you have been feeling some sort of disturbance, or any some sort of disturbed energy in your life, or you have been feeling stuck, delays and slowness and all those things were happening, confusion, disturbance, then I can see it will be removed in the month of August. That is for sure. And I want to pull out also some 2 cards for you from this cat tarot deck. Okay, so let's see, 2 cards only. How will be your August month? And then when we will wind up this reading, we will close this file, because I am not making too long video, guys. 10 minutes for one option is enough, I feel like that. Okay, the star card has flipped around. Okay, let's see, one more card we need. Oh, I hope so. I'm shuffling this deck on camera. Okay, cat tarot deck. Let's see, one more card please, spirits, guys. One more. So many cards are flipping around, so we will take the top card, the Magician. Oh wow, the Star and the Magician. Guys, what else I need to say? The Star, the Magician, we have received, and the 10 of Cups, and the Hangman. So we have received 3 major arcanas: the Star, the Magician, and the Hangman, and 10 of Cups in from minor arcana. So definitely one cycle is closing for you, and now positive cycle will begin for you. You might have chose option 2, go and watch pile 2, because I can see some messages will resonate from there as well. This is the continuation of pile 2 I am feeling for some of you. Okay, so go and watch pile 2 as well. So definitely marriage is coming, commitment, stability is coming, and you can create your own life. For some of you, your intuition will get stronger and stronger in month of August, and you'll come into this energy, magician. It means you can create your own life, you can manifest and attract anything you want, okay? And positivity is coming. You can influence people positively as well. You can attract anything from universe, from God, okay? You can manifest anything. And I'm feeling for some of you, you have been manifesting something consciously or unconsciously, knowingly or unknowingly. I can see for some of you, you have manifested knowingly, consciously, definitely, and still you are manifesting. And you have one wish, one big wish, which is going to fulfill in the month of August, or at least you'll find some hope in the month of August, okay? And you'll feel confirmation from angels, God, spirits, guides, universe, whomever you believe in, that there is a hope in the situation. Definitely you'll find some ray of hope in the month of August, which you have been waiting since long. It was your life's biggest wish, I can see for some of you. Yes, the Star and the Magician, 3 major arcana. That it means something big is going to happen in the month of August, or it will be a starting point of something big is going to happen. So for example, if you are single and you want to get married, then you can find your life partner in the month of August. So that is the big step, okay, towards your love journey, marriage journey, okay? Or else for others of you, you will get married in the month of August. So something big will happen like this, okay? And others of you, if you have been wanted to travel since long time out of country, and you there was no progress, then I can see for some of you, you'll be able to travel in the month of August. And for some of you, if you wanted to become a star or actor or musician, celebrity, singer, then I can see you'll see some ray of hope or some good news in the month of August. Yeah, that is what I'm feeling for you guys. Very nice, very nice. 1 number, 10 number, 7 number might be important to you guys. 1 number, 7 number, 10 number will be important dates or numbers to you in the month of August, okay? And you will going to be blossom like a star, you will going to be blossom like a flower, and like a star, you are going to become a star. For some of you, I am feeling your wish will be fulfilled, okay? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign, I am strongly feeling you are, or you dealing with one. And Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also I am feeling. Yeah. So this is what I feel for you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you liked my reading, and I hope you got some insights, and I'm not making too long video. I hope you got all your answers. So thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below from which country or city you're watching from, or which pick a card you want me to do readings on. Suggest me, okay? And please tell me how did you find it. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys. Hope to see you in my next video guys. All the best.